200cc all the way to 850cc. We're bringing a wide range of bikes. We're bringing adventure bikes, we're bringing tourer bikes, we're bringing street bikes, we're bringing sports bikes, something for everybody. And it's also got a very wide range of price points. If you take Benelli, Kiwi and Moto Vault together, we have price points starting from 1.2 lakhs all the way up to 6.5 lakhs. And what this means is that we today have a vehicle, a product, a bike for almost any type of customer out there, ranging from a college student to a family person to somebody who likes adventure motorcycle to...
Anyways, very good morning to all of you. Heartily welcome to each one of you for this wonderful morning, for the wonderful occasion. So Adishwar Autoride India Private Limited presents Moto Vault dealership launch for the first time in Bangalore in association with Brindhavan Motors. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೃಂದಾವನ್ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ 29/10/2017 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್. ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನರ್, ವೆರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಅರ್ತ್, ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೋರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್. So here we are presenting the wonderful bike, that is Moto Morini, in front of you. It is well done. Alright, so here we are witnessing this wonderful occasion by unveiling one more bike. That is SAHARA 400. And thank you so much once again for Moto Vault. So, okay. So much for keeping the trust. Congratulations for taking home TRK 512. So here we have our happy customer Swaruporo. Swaruporo smile ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗಿ. ಬೈಕ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮನೆಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗಿ.
And I'm the managing director of Moto Vault India and Benelli Kiwi India. Today I'm very happy to share that we've extended the Moto Vault showroom in the city of Bangalore. This is our 22nd Moto Vault showroom that we are launching across India. To give you a little more background on Moto Vault, Moto Vault is a multi-brand superbike concept. We are the first brand in India to bring multiple superbike brands under one roof. Today we have 5 brands. Basically we have Moto Morini, Zentes, Zontes, apart from Benelli and Kiwi that we offer under the Moto Vault umbrella. We have bikes ranging from 125cc all the way up to 650cc, price points of 1.2 lakhs all the way to 6.5 lakhs. So basically we have a very wide range. Customers can come and look for their favorite motorcycle under one roof, and we have something for everybody. We have something for a family customer, we have something for the youth, we have something for the older crowd, we have something for adventure people who like sports touring motorcycles. So we have a wide range of motorcycles at different price points. So we're very excited to be here in Bangalore. We already have more than 2,000 plus customers in Bangalore, and with Moto Vault now launching in Whitefield, I'm very sure we'll be adding a lot more customers to the family. Thank you.
The bike is really superb, very good service. There are a lot of things.